Hey, Ishmael here, App Hack Academy, your go-to ChatGPT guide. Most people are wasting ChatGPT asking basic questions. But today, I'm showing you how to unlock its real power with simple prompts. Most people think AI is magic, but the truth is, if you ask bad questions, you'll get bad answers. Most people type something like, "Write me a post about success." That's too vague. AI doesn't know your tone, your audience, or your style. Today, I'll show you a simple trick to get 10 times better results from ChatGPT. To get better results, use this 3-step prompt formula. 1. Tell AI its role. 2. Explain the task clearly. And 3. Add style or format. Instead of saying, "Write about success," try this. You are a motivational speaker. Write a 60-second motivational speech about success for young entrepreneurs using powerful rhymes and energy. You can also ask ChatGPT to think like a professional. For example, act as a professional songwriter and write a motivational rap about overcoming struggle. Here's a secret most people don't know. If the answer isn't good enough, just say make it shorter, make it more emotional, rewrite it Gen Z style. AI improves the result instantly. Better prompts, better results. Start giving AI clear instructions and you'll unlock the real power of ChatGPT. If this trick blew your mind, wait till you see what ChatGPT can do with the next prompt. Trust me,